Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add a dollar sign in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. First is we just need to open our Google Sheets. Okay, so I have this one from here and I want to put a dollar sign for this value. So how can we do that? So here you just need to simply click on that or and then at the top you will find all these options and you will find this 123 symbol which is more formats. Click on that. Scroll down and you will find this option custom currency. Click on that. Now I have rupee from here, but let's search for US and you'll find US dollar. Click on that. Click on apply. And now if I'm going to, as you can see, the US dollar sign has been applied to my value. And I'm going to type here more value. And if I'm going to click on the bottom cell, I'm just going to click on this one, 123, and then click on US dollar. And the US dollar sign will be added. Now if I'm going to add more, and then I'm just going to click on that, click on the value or the number, click on 123 more formats, and here we can find US dollar. Just simply click on that. And that's it. That's how you can easily insert a dollar sign into your Google Sheets. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.